Hi friends, welcome to Cierto Print Solutions. On the screen you can see a laptop with a wonderful image on it. This image we printed on a laptop. You can see the image with a vanish and embossed finish. This is the laptop. This is another image with a texture finish and vanish on it. You can see the image clearly. This is another image Power Star Pawan Kalyan. This image contains only vanish. This is another image on a laptop. It comes with vanish and embossed on letters. This is a matte finish of a marble image on a laptop. It doesn't comes with a vanish and embossed. This is a normal matte finish picture we printed on a laptop. Now I will show you how the prints are going on a laptop. You can see the demo of the prints. We are printing a Spider-Man image on a laptop. Picture printing on a laptop. You can see it, how the picture is going on. See, marble picture printing on a laptop with matte finish. If you want, we can give vanish.